G'day. I'm Mighty. Welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. Have I got a treat for you today? From today, departs on a voyage via traditional navigation for a couple of months, a team on a wonderful vessel over here. So happy to be able to show. Let's go have a look. Get off the couch, ditch all the chores. Let's go for an adventure in the mighty outdoors. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 hands being. So the hull looks like fiberglass, but everything on top of it is wood. Look at the lashings. Everything on this is lashed. It's not nuts and bolts. Boxes of supplies, spare bit of fuel just in case, all full of coolers up on deck. So fiberglass construction by the looks of things. You can see how the wood is bound. All rope work. Now I've never been on one of these before. As you know, I'm not an experienced sailor by any stretch of the imagination. But today, because the launches today, as they go off on their big voyage, we're going to have a chance to jump up and have a look. What a treat!
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Pleasure. Is it all right? Do I come in through here or at the front, or?
Oh, up to you.
Thanks, man. Wow. Wow, it's hot. Oh, I didn't bring. I left them. Should have brought my shoes.
It's too hot on the deck.
So, how many guys are going to be on this?
11 of us.
Yep.
11.
11. Okay. And this is fiberglass construction.
Yeah.
And then everything else is made out of wooden ropes.
Yeah.
Wow. How old is the vessel?
It's 18 years.
Oh, okay. Right. How much work was it? How much did you have to do to get it ready to go out to sea again?
It's like 2 months you have to prepare.
Yep.
Yeah. And ready for sail.
Right. And are these the places where people sleep?
Yeah, that's the bunk.
These are the bunks. Can I have a look? Oh, wow. Okay.
But there is a hammock, we have to tie it.
Yep.
Inside. It's like tying from here to...
Yeah. So at any one time, not everyone's asleep, not everyone's awake, right? I guess you do it in shifts?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to shift it every 6 hours.
6-hour shifts. Okay. Great. So what are the... So for 6 hours, what, people sleep?
Yeah.
And then they...
Some are like watching the canoe.
Okay. What sort of dangers are out there for a canoe of this size? What are you worried about?
Only vessel, like crashing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. But otherwise it's very stable, yeah?
Yeah. It's very stable, this one. It's a tower hull canoe. Not like our canoe, circle canoe. This one is like, it's a Polynesian canoe.
Polynesian, okay. Yeah. Wow. Okay, and my friend was telling me that you're going to have some initiation. Is that right? Are you?
Yeah, the initiation already finished last week.
Okay.
Yeah, back home in our island.
And where was the initiation ceremony?
It's at our island.
Oh, in your island. Okay. Oh, Setohan. Okay. Wow. And what was that for? Is that so you could now be the captain?
Yeah, it's like what's this? It's like you graduating to certified to be.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. So this is your first voyage in your new position.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So, wow. So you have your own fresh water?
Yeah, we have fresh water.
Yep. Because you don't you can't make water on this, can you?
Yeah, no.
All right. So you got to bring everything you need.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So plenty of water. Then you got your cooking equipment.
Yeah. Coconut.
Coconuts. Yeah, heaps of coconuts. Hey. I see you got your coconuts. You got the beetle nut.
Yeah.
I hope you brought enough else.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. And then your bananas and.
Yeah. Uncooked one.
Uncooked.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Mate, so this is amazing. This is fantastic.
Oh, they're already there. They're already there. They're in one. They're just going for.
Hey, all the best for a safe voyage. You guys are my new heroes. You guys are unreal. Thank you so much for allowing me on your beautiful, beautiful vessel. I wish you a really safe trip. Will do. Oh, if I fall in the water, I get wet. Thank you so much, brother. What's the name of the vessel?
Maisu.
Maisu. Beautiful. What does that mean?
Alignano Maisu is a puree of falling breadfruit.
But the meaning of the word Alignano Maisu is something to do, and President Tele may help me a little bit, but it has something to do with the breadfruit, under the breadfruit tree. And what it means is that if you don't share your breadfruit with your neighbors or your knowledge about culture, then it will be lost forever. And that is why this canoe is named Alignano Maisu, breadfruit tree, breadfruit under the breadfruit tree, to be shared so that knowledge will never be lost forever. And that's the name of this canoe.
Take a big one. Well, I just thought you guys were so kind to let me have a look on the boat. I just wanted to help in even a small way, you know? There's a good bunch of coconuts. Just put them in there. Beautiful. I'm not going on the voyage, but I'm happy to do my bit. If you like coconuts or you like boats, subscribe and like this video. Safe travels. Keep being our prayers. See you, bro. So there you have it. What an amazing privilege to be able to witness the departure of that amazing craft. They're going to go for, well, today's the 30th of April. They're hoping to be back here about the 15th of July. They've got a long way to travel, and we wish them well. I hope that this has been interesting, the opportunity to see a little bit more close up of a traditional sailing craft here in pristine Palau, where there's so much wow. Now, as I always say, I'm Mighty. Thanks for joining me right here in the Mighty Outdoors, and I can't wait to see you next time in Palau, or perhaps somewhere else, right here in the Mighty Outdoors. Hooroo!